Assalamu alaikum audience. Hope you all are doing fit and fine. Today we are from English Language Center Bangladesh and we are having a podcast on Boishakhi Mela. I'm Lubaba Tasim Luba and she is my partner.
And I'm Pragadidia.
Well, without any delay, let's get started. Pragga, do you know what is a Boishakhi Mela?
Yes. Well, it's a nice question. Boishakhi Mela is one of the traditional festival in our country. It is the celebration of our first day in our Bengali New Year.
Well, when is Boishakhi Mela celebrated?
Mainly, it is celebrated in the first day of our Bengali New Year. It is mainly celebrated in 14th April.
Okay, that's a really good answer. Well, can you tell me what are the specialties of Boishakhi Mela? How do you look the Boishakhi Mela in your country?
In our country, Boishakhi Mela is a very colorful, enjoyable, traditional festival in our country. It is a day of happiness in our country.
Where is Boishakhi Mela most likely take place?
Mostly, Boishakhi Mela is held on an open space, on a school field, etc.
Okay, and my last question, what kind of clothes or what kind of wear people wear on Boishakhi Mela?
Well, it's a nice question. In the Boishakhi Mela, people wear mainly traditional dresses like shari, Punjabi, kurtis, etc. And now I want to ask you, do children enjoy Boishakhi Mela?
As you have said about the Boishakhi Mela, I guess children enjoy a lot in the Boishakhi Mela, as there are a lot of rides, sweets, and there are lots of gifts for them, so they enjoy a lot in the Boishakhi Melas.
Well, it's a nice answer, Rubaba. What foods are popular at Boishakhi Mela?
Well, I have visited some Boishakhi Melas, so I have seen some traditional foods there like pitas, then there are some modern foods also like pizza, burger, and there are also other foods that are very much beautiful to look, just like the nokshi pita, and very enjoyable to eat.
Do people take pictures at Boishakhi Mela?
Obviously, it's a must on the Boishakhi Mela. People wear shari, salwar kameez, and they do makeup beautifully. Why don't they take pictures, right?
Okay, how do you feel about Boishakhi Mela?
Boishakhi Mela is a very enjoyable event. It's a vibrant event in our country as it is mostly decorated with red and white dresses and red and white fabrics. So it is very beautiful and I love this.
Well, my last question is Boishakhi Mela crowded?
Boishakhi Melas are dangerously crowded, trust me. I went to a Boishakhi Mela last year and I just couldn't walk, really. They were so crowded. People love the Boishakhi Mela a lot. So that was end of our podcast. Hope you have liked it. We will see you again on something else. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.